The temperatures have been unpredictable, but one thing we don't want to leave to chance is making sure our HVAC system works. Big Mountain Heating and Air is here with expert advice to keep your home comfortable through it all. Let's welcome Baron Larson of Big Mountain Heating and Air. Hey, Baron.
Good morning, Desiree.
Good morning. Okay, so Baron, question I always ask you, what is the biggest reason AC units break down when temperatures are hot, or vice versa when the furnace when it's really cold?
Yeah, I'm glad you said both because it does affect both. And we focus mostly on, oftentimes, personally, the cost of operating an air conditioner or a furnace and all those aspects. But we don't focus as much on the safety and the health aspects of it. And my dad, I had to replace his system a number of years ago because I sent one of our techs to do a rejuvenation. Found a crack in the heat exchanger in the furnace, a gas furnace, and sent me a picture of it. And so, you know, I know you don't want to mess around with the potential of carbon monoxide exposure in a home, and so we replaced the system. And dirt plays into that big time because what happens when you're running your furnace, or your air conditioner, your furnace is running. It's moving the air. And what happens if that, like you see right there, in that filter, you know, it restricts the airflow, causes the heat exchanger to get hot when you're running your furnace. And as a result, it will shut off on a special safety mechanism, but it keeps doing that over and over, and it can cause the heat exchanger crack. What folks don't realize is if you do have a problem with the heat exchanger, it's not like a gimmick. We want to come out and sell you a new system, because most people don't understand a heat exchanger on a furnace is guaranteed for 20 years or life even. And so you don't want to mess around with it, and that's part of our, that's just one tiny little bit of what we do when we do our 2-for-1 rejuvenation.
And we don't want to breathe that in. Like you mentioned, the dirt, that's something we don't want to breathe in. We want to make sure that's looked at. So tell us what's unique about the services that Big Mountain offers.
Yeah, besides safety inspection, and we really have our technicians that know how to do that. And you might get a free furnace or a free heat exchanger. So, yeah, we do a comprehensive service to answer your question, Desiree, meaning both the furnace and the air conditioner. We spend a lot of time when we're working on your system, and it's not just a gimmick to get something sold to you, but we are trying to show you we're different, and we do it at a really special price on your show. Only on this show do we offer this price point.
All right, and I mean, you service it twice throughout the year, but that special offer you just mentioned, you offer it to the first 10 viewers. Tell us what that special offer is, Farron.
Yeah, $69, and we 2 and 3 hour service on your system, guaranteeing it against breakdown, or the service is free. Just call at that number, 378-4664. You can go online at bigmountainair.com and get it taken care of, and you're going to be covered for the next year against breakdown, or the service is free.
There you go, from Baron Larson himself. Thanks, Baron.
Thank you.
All right, to our viewers, make your home cozy this fall. Head to bigmountainair.com for details on all of their heating and air services.